How to log into Walmart Plus account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in a Walmart Plus login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, walmart.com. You'll be directed to the login page. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the email address, then click on continue. Now you can choose the sign-in method, verification code in the phone number or the email address linked with your account, or the password. I'm gonna select password. Now go ahead and type in your password and then click on sign in, and just with that you'll be logged into your Walmart Plus account. In the case you have chosen verification code, you'll be receiving verification code in the phone number or the email address. You have to type in that code, and with that you'll be logged into your account. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Walmart Plus account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.